Hello students, this is our next part of height and distance. Now, in this question, at a height of at a point on the level ground, the angle of elevation of a tower, vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. Here tangent is given 5 by 12. On walking 192 meters towards the tower the tangent of angle of elevation will become 3 by 4. Then find the height of the tower. So first of all, the diagram will be, suppose this is our tower, right? This is our tower. Let AB is a h meter high tower. This is our h meter high tower, right? And an observer observes an angle of elevation. The tangent means this. Suppose this angle is alpha. So the tangent of this elevation means alpha. Means tan alpha is given here. How much? 5 by 12. And when he is walking towards 192 meters towards the tower. Means suppose when he reaches at from C to D 192 kilometer, then he observes the tangent will become 3 by 4. Means value of tan beta is 3 by 4. Clear? Suppose BD is x, then find height of the tower, right? So first of all, we should write the statement about the question. Let AB is AB is h meter high tower. Now in right angle triangle ABC, tan alpha equal to, so here tan alpha is given 5 by 12 and tan alpha is the ratio of perpendicular and base, so it will become h upon x plus 192. Value of tan alpha is given 5 by 12, so this is 5 by 12, so this is h upon x plus 192. Now so this is, when you cross multiply, then you will get 12 times of h equal to 5 times of x plus 192. So this will become 12h equal to 5x plus 5 into 192. This is equation first. Now in right angle triangle ABD, in right angle triangle ABD, in right angle triangle ABD, here tan beta equal to, this will be h upon x. Tan beta is given 3 by 4. So this is h upon x. Now this is 3x equal to 4 times of h. Right? So if 3x equal to 4h, it means when we multiplied by 3 on both the sides, then we will get 9x equal to 12h, right? So this is equation second. Now from equation first and second, this is also value of 12h and this is also 12h. So now put the value of 12h in equation first, or we can also write from equation first and second. So equating the equations, then we will get 9 times of x equal to 5x plus 5 into 190. So this is 4x equal to 5 into 190. So value of x is 5 into this is 4, 48. When you multiply it by this, then now, but our aim is to find the height. So height equal to, here height will be h equal to 3 3x by 4, means h equal to, this is h, so h will be 3 into value of x is 5 into 48 upon this is 4. So when you solve, then you will get this is 12. So value of h will be 3 into 60. So answer will be 180 meter, right? It means height of the tower will be 180 meter. That is your answer. Now this question you can solve quickly. How it can be possible? How it can be possible? In this question, suppose here tan alpha is given 5 by 12, right? And tan beta is given. Tan beta is given 3 by 4. Clear? So this is tan alpha, this is a ratio, and tan beta, this is also a ratio. It means the actual value will be both the quantity 5k and 12k, and this is suppose 3l and 4l. So here the question is this type. So here tan alpha means the ratio of this to whole side this, and the ratio of tan beta means h upon this. But in both the case height is the same. It means this quantity will be same in both the case, means 5k equal to 3l, right? In both the cases this quantity will be remains constant, but 12k and 4l, these are variable quantity. So the difference between these two quantity will become 12k minus 4l. So this is 12k and this is 4l. So the 12k minus 4k, so it is one, the difference between both the length will be 192 kilometer, which is given in the question, right? So now this is 4l. So 12k minus 4l is given how much? 192 kilometer. Clear? Now value of here l is gives 5 by 3k, right? Now put, then you will get 12k minus 5 by 3 into 4 equal to 192. So this is 36k minus 20k upon 3. Then you will get 192 means 16. K equal to 192 into 3. So this is 16K. 12. So K equal to 36. Right? But value of H is how much? Value of H is 5K. So answer is H equal to 5K. So you multiply by 36. So this is 180 meter. That's your required answer. So you can calculate more less in very less time. Now our next question is, in this question the shadow of a vertical tower on the level ground is increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changes from the angle of elevation 45 to 30 degree. Find the height of the tower correct to 1 place of decimal. Here root 3 is given 1.73. So suppose this is our vertical tower, right? Vertical tower, and the vertical tower on the level ground increases by 10 kilometer when shadow is increases by 10 meter when the altitudes of the sun changes from elevation 45 to 30 degree. So this is our angle of 30 degree and this is 45 degree. When sun changes angle 30 to 45 to 30 means 45 to 30 means when 10 meter. Suppose this is our tower AB, which is h meter high, and sun will become, sun is at here. So the shadow will, in this question the question says that when the shadow of the tower increases by 10 meter then elevation of the top of the tower will increases by 10 meter, then the elevation increases by 4, decreases by how much? 45 to 30 degree. So our statement will be, let AB is h meter high tower. So in right angle triangle AB, this is C and this is D. ABC, tan 45 degree equal to h upon, this is suppose x, BC is x. So value of tan 45 is 1. So this is h upon x. It means value of h will be x, right? This is h. This is equation first. And in right angle triangle ABT, tan 30 degree equal to h upon x plus 10. So value of tan 30 will become 1 by root 3. So this is h upon x plus 10, right? Now this will become root 3 times of h equal to x plus 10. But x is equal to h. So now put the value of x in this equation. From equation first, so we will get under root 3 times of h equal to h plus 10, right? When you transpose h towards root 3 times of h, then you will get root 3 times of h minus h equal to 10. taking h as common, then you will get root 3 minus 1 in bracket equal to 10. Then h equal to, this is 10 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize it, then you will get root 3 plus 1 by multiply both the numerator and denominator. So you will get 10 into root 3 plus 1 upon this will become in one bracket root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So this will become 3 minus 1 means 2. So this is 5 bracket root 3 plus 1. But value of root 3 in the question is given. So this is 1.73. So this will become how much? 5 into 2.73. So your height, you calculate yourself. Thank you.